Hi. In India, a good cricketer makes much more money than a good hockey player. Why? Because they're in the right area, the right domain. Similarly, in professional life, if you're in the right domain, you can make much more money than other people who are working equally as hard. And what is the best area nowadays? It's artificial intelligence, right? If you know topics like prompt engineering, generative AI tools, you can make very good salaries. And if you know advanced techniques like, say, data science, you can earn in crores. Hi, my name is Nikhil Narayan and I'm the CEO of Generation AI, and we are on a mission to create a new generation of AI professionals. There are many people who want to learn AI, who want to have a good career in AI, but they don't know how to begin, what are the steps required to start. There are other people who start to learn but they get stuck in the middle because it's such a vast area and they don't have the correct guidance, the right strategy. Right? To explain the entire process, all this to you, I'm organizing a live webinar. In this webinar, I'm going to teach you step by step everything which is required, starting from the very basics like understanding artificial intelligence, the overview, the architecture of it, machine learning, topics like ChatGPT, prompt engineering, we are going to go very deep in that. Topics like generative AI, different tools which are available, non-generative AI tools, what are the kind of opportunities you have, how to make the best of it, how to apply for jobs, everything which is required, even the ifs and the buts of this industry, and there are some secrets also, right? You'll understand that later. But yes, if you're interested, I would like to invite you to register for this seminar on the link below. I have several years of experience in teaching people. I've taught people from multinational companies, from IITs, as well as from normal colleges. And you know what is the most important factor that makes them successful? The most important factor that makes an ordinary guy become more successful than an IITian is just one thing, that is belief. If you can believe in yourself, if you can have faith in your own dreams, nothing else can stop you. Learning machine learning, programming, prompt engineering, AI, these are actually very easy things. We have been doing this for several years now. It's just a matter of steps are there. Follow the steps. Some step you may take longer, some step you can go faster, but eventually you will learn it. Learning is not the problem. The most important problem is believing first. Many people don't even start learning because they don't believe that they can be, an AI professional at all, right? See, you have the same, think about it, you have the same hardware. For example, God did not give you a deficient body as such. Your eyes can look as far, your ears can hear as much as anybody else, eh? Your heart can pump as much blood as anybody else, your stomach can digest as anybody else. So how can your brain think lesser? No, there's nothing wrong with your brain. Most important thing, like I said, is if you can believe in yourself. How to believe in yourself? I don't know, find out yourself, but stay away from negative people. Be an optimist, and keep learning. Warren Buffett said something very important: the more you learn, the more you earn. If you can do that, rest we can take care of. We have a complete ecosystem. We can teach you everything. Not only that, after we teach you, you can start working on the projects that we have. You can start working on the projects only for experience by working on open source projects. We have freelancing projects where clients are paying. If you can do that, you'll get paid for that. You can work full-time with us. You can work part-time with us, as well as you can start a freelancing company or maybe your own big company in the future, right? So opportunities are there. Most important, like I said, is just one thing: believe. Thank you for listening and hope to see you in the seminar. Thank you.